Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, so sign into the Microsoft account linked to your apps. This ensures updates apply to the right installs. Once signed in, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or plugged into Ethernet to avoid interrupted downloads. Now open the Microsoft Store from Start or the taskbar. Once the store loads, click the profile icon to verify your account and then select Downloads and Updates to begin checking for available app updates. Once you're in Downloads and Updates, press Get Updates to let the store search for available app and system package updates. This triggers Microsoft servers to compare versions. You can also pick individual apps and click Update if you prefer staged installs. While updates download and install, watch the progress indicators and avoid heavy network or CPU usage to reduce failures. If an app requires a restart, make sure to save work. Then allow the store to finish installing before launching updated apps. After installs complete, restart your laptop when prompted to finalize file replacements and service restarts. This resolves many lingering issues. If an update fails or the store behaves oddly, run WS Reset. exe to clear the store cache, then reopen the app. Make sure you're signed in. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, and check Windows Update for pending system fixes that can block store updates. One key tip: use WS Reset. exe first when you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.